the Emerald Queen Casino in Tacoma claim they are being put at risk because management is failing to enforce safety regulations. A complaint filed with the Occupational Safety and Health Administration claims gamblers are disobeying rules and staff members are being told to ignore it. KIRO 7 South Sound reporter Kevin McCarty is live in Tacoma tonight with their concerns and their reaction from the Puyallup tribe, which owns the casinos. Kevin?
And the staff members work here at the Emerald Queen Casino in Tacoma. They say they don't feel safe on the job, even though casino operators say they have stringent rules in place to keep them safe.
Join us as we safely get back in the game.
On its website, the Emerald Queen Casino tells customers management is taking steps to keep them and staff members safe.
We will require all staff and patrons to wear masks as we practice social distancing.
But according to a complaint filed with the Federal Occupational Safety and Health Administration, better known as OSHA, employees claim measures to protect from infection by the coronavirus aren't being observed or enforced, leading to at least one staff member to be diagnosed with COVID-19. The complaint focuses on the Emerald Queen Casino in Tacoma. KIRO 7 obtained this photograph of the complaint, claiming hazards include 60 to 100 people on busy nights in approximately 100 feet of space in a high-limit section of the casino. Employees jokingly call the area COVID Corner, adding, patrons, while required to wear masks, are not asked to leave when refusing, despite the casino's zero-tolerance policy.
I think they're doing really good.
The Puyallup tribe of Indians began reopening their two casinos, starting with Fife on May 18th, followed by the newly built casino in Tacoma in June, saying they required stringent safety measures.
Social distancing, all those are in full effect and enforced. It's important.
But the OSHA complaint claims if employees observe a sick gambler, they're told to stay quiet because they are playing large amounts of money. Tribal spokesperson Michael Thompson would not comment, but in a post on their website, the Puyallup Tribal Council stated, "We are investigating recent allegations of COVID-19 safety issues at Emerald Queen Casino." They've included a new pop-up on their website for customers telling them they must follow all posted instructions while visiting EQC facilities and venues.
And that pop-up reminds gamblers who go to the casino that there are inherent risks in being in public when a lot of people are around. And they're saying people who come to the casino assume those risks on their own. Live in Tacoma, Kevin McCarty, KIRO 7 News.